I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ferrari Roma versus Lamborghini Aventador. We'll dive into the distinct characteristics of these two iconic Italian supercars. From their powerful engines to their unique driving experiences, we'll explore what sets them apart. Our goal is to help you decide which of these magnificent machines aligns with your preferences for speed, style, and exhilaration. When it comes to sheer power, the Lamborghini Aventador's naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine is a beast, offering up to 780 horsepower. The Ferrari Roma, with its 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8, provides a still impressive 612 horsepower. This translates to the Aventador hitting 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.7 seconds, while the Roma follows closely at 3.1 seconds. The Ferrari Roma embodies elegant, timeless design with a comfortable 2+2 seating layout, making it a superb grand tourer. Its front-engine, rear-wheel drive setup provides a refined yet engaging driving experience. In contrast, the Lamborghini Aventador is a dramatic two-seater supercar, featuring a mid-engine, all-wheel drive system. Its aggressive, angular styling and raw power deliver an uncompromised, visceral thrill on the road. Considering value, the Ferrari Roma starts at approximately $243,000, presenting a more attainable entry into the supercar world with its blend of performance and daily usability. The Lamborghini Aventador, with its extreme performance and limited production, typically starts closer to $425,000. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize refined elegance and versatility or raw, unadulterated supercar drama. Also, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.